Good morning, everyone. Well, today is Friday, and I have some people coming over to help me with some repairs. There was some damage to my house during the hurricane, and so we are getting in there and getting some things done, repairs made, and we're going to be getting a cleanup done as well today. So come along with us, and we'll get this filmed and out in a YouTube video as soon as I can. So I'm going to explain to you what happened during the storm. The house became unlevel during the storm, and so I have somebody coming out, took a look and said, yes, it's unlevel. The back door has popped out and it is leaking water every time it rains. So they're going to come in with a house jack and level off the house and get the door shutting properly in the back, um, so that no more damage can happen. Okay, there's several things that I have to do. The tree on top of my house, okay, is now touching the roof, and so I have to notify the park that this is happening in writing, and so they can come and trim off these trees and get them off the top of my roof. And then the next step after that is to seal the roof, okay? For the same person that's going to level the house will come in also and take a look at the roof and seal it off for me. And so they're doing it, and then they said it was okay for me to arrange payments, okay? So any help that you guys can give me through the views, that's all I'm asking for, is for you guys to view and share the videos. Any help like that is much appreciated. I do have a link down below in the videos for you to become a patron if you want to help that way. There's also like a donation button on each and every video to contribute that way. If you want to do just a one-time donation, it will help, okay? And so I'm not asking for it, but it's there, okay? And so let's get outside and let's get to me showing you what the repairs are going to look like.
I give this video because I leveled this house because the storm blew out everything. I gotta go level out. He locked the door and moved the mobile home. Everything looks bad. And this side too, very bad.
All right, everyone. So the house has been repaired. The door is shutting, and hopefully it's not leaking anymore. And now we're going to do the repairs in the yard. All right, so while he's here, he's going to work in the garden as well, and we're going to pull up the tomato plants, because the tomatoes, those are determinate tomatoes. So what that means is that they bloom once, all of the tomatoes produce, and then it's done. Okay, and so these are done. Y'all see the cat back there in the background?
My girlfriend wants to meet you, Miss Ray.
Oh, okay.
She liked your channel.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe next month I'll bring her.
Okay.
I hope to meet you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everybody is taking all of the tree limbs and everything over there to the dumpster
Yeah.
because they told them not to put it at the street corner.
Put there.
Yeah, to take it to the dumpster.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. That's what Daniel told me, that the manager said.
I put it over there.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Pepper right here.
Huh? It looks, yes. Give me the sticks. We'll use the sticks again.
Okay.
The sticks, yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh. All right.
Tomato.
One tomato. Hand me the sprinkler and I'll. The sprinkler. Yeah. Go ahead and get those out, and that way I'll make it room for you. Then we'll put everything back up later.
Go ahead and pull the pepper plant.
You want to pull that?
Pull it out. We'll plant new.
All of them?
Yeah, pull them all out. We'll plant new.
It's on me? It's on?
It should be.
I'm going to turn off a little.
Okay.
Then you're going to level it again?
Huh?
You're going to level your house today again?
Daniel did it.
All right. Did it?
He already did.
Wow.
It was fast.
The door closed already?
The door closes and it's hopefully it's sealed up. It's not gonna leak no more.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, he's going to take the water hose and he's going to fix it for me. And so you see the before and him working. I'm going to take a break from the filming and let him finish up his work. And I'll come back in a few to show you the after. He is also going to take care of all the leaves and the trims and the branches that fell onto my porch. He's going to take care of that as well. But I'm going to go inside so I don't get dirt and leaves blown on me. He is also going to take care of all of the leaves and branches from the front of my house and everything, all along the front. He'll be taking care of that as well. But I'm going to leave him to do his job. All right, everyone, we're going to show the progress. Look at this. Okay. The flower beds, no, the garden is cleaned out. He has moved all of the herb pots, and they're still good. He's going to be cleaning them out for me. And yeah, so the progress is looking really good so far. Okay. He's still working, but you can see the driveway is cleaned up, and he's cleaned the porch up. Okay. So I'm gonna let him continue to go. All right, I'm gonna show you the end result of all the cleanup and how it looks now. And you're gonna hear people in the background because, you know, things are going on in the neighborhood. And so here we go. All right, so let's sit out and have some coffee. Okay. It's close to 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we got all of this cleaned up. So this is making me happy. I'm in a happy place now, and I have my coffee. I'm on the porch with you guys, and I'm getting a video put out. So they are cleaning up in the neighborhood, and so things are getting done.